Alright guys, Magnet Gamer here, back with another Pokemon card opening on the channel. Today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to anyone that decides to watch this video, if anyone even still watches my videos. But, real quick, I just want to say, sorry I haven't uploaded in forever. I just haven't really felt like uploading, because the way I've been running my channel is I just upload/record whenever I feel like it. I've been trying to upload some stuff off my PS4. I'm just still trying to find out how, because I video clip things. Still trying to figure out how to upload it from there. But anyways, let's get right into it. First off, we're going to open the box way in the back, which I'm actually really excited for, because I have not opened a box like this in, I don't know, nearly 7 years of my life. And today's the day that I finally opened one. Oh, wait a sec. I'm stupid. Hold on a sec. Let me, Oh, now I see what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Now I see what I'm supposed to do. Okay, here we go. Now it's open. Alright. And yeah, I know, these cards in the front are the cards that, like the promo cards that come with the box. And they shouldn't really be counted as good, but I don't really care because I haven't opened this set in forever. Literally forever. Alright, to start things off, we've got the 3 promo cards in the front, a Holo Rare Typhlosion, Meganium, and Feraligatr. We also have a little Entei figure right here. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the packs out. I couldn't figure out how. I'm an actual idiot. Which do I want to open up first? I guess I'll just go with the HS Unleashed pack. And I don't know if there's a card trick for these ones or not, so I'm just going to open them casually. So we have a Carnivine, Roselia, Stantler, Horsey, Vulpix, Reverse Hollow Weasel, and a regular rare Tyranitar. And we have MC's Chatter, Minun, and Wartortle. Okay, so it looks like it's just 3 from the back. Alright, so we have a supporter Seeker, Unknown, supporter Black Belt, Spoink, Swablu, Ghastly, Machop, Venonat, a reverse hollow Drapion, and ooh, a hollow rare Victory Bell. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually hollow. Now for the HS Triumphant Pack. Oh, wait a minute. What pack was I just opened? Oh, I opened a Triumphant Pack just now. Okay. So we have a supporter card. Twins. Porygon 2. Indigo Plateau. Swablu. Dratini. Apom, not Apom. Shuppet. Bellsprout. Oh! Okay, that's actually good. Okay, Primal Rare Gengar. Let's just set that to the side. I did not expect to pull a Primal card today. HS Undaunted, okay. So, first off, we have a Skuntank, Defender, Gloom, Combee, Gligar, Stunky, Pineco, Makuhita, Reverse Hollow Sableye, and a regular rare Leafeon. I actually like the artwork on that. And time for the Heart Gold Soul Silver base set. Alright, supporter. Professor Oak's New Theory. Pokegear. Copycat. Snubble. Hoppip. Coughing. Growlithe. Spinarak. Reverse Hollow Slowbro. And... oh! We got half of a Lugia Legend card. Ending off this box with a banger of a card. Let me go get some of my hard sleeves real quick to put this in the Gengar in. That is unreal. I can't even believe that we pulled that. I don't know what to say. We pulled a legend card out of our first box from Heart Gold Soul Series, or Heart Gold Soul Silver, on this channel. I'm at a loss for words now. I don't know how we were able to just grab that good of a card from the first box in the video. How? I'm actually like really hyped now. Because I was tired when I woke up and opening presents and stuff. And now I'm awake. Now I'm wide awake. Let's get this pile of cards off to the side. And now we are going to go ahead and just open this little pack that's right here. Because it's Christmas. Why not? Alright, we got a Ponyta, a hollow. Wow, we actually got a hollow from that. I'm surprised. So we have Ponyta, hollow, Raichu, and Coughing. Okay. And now we have our Elite Trainer box. which I'll have to get the plastic off camera. There we go. Now we can get it out. Alright, we have our Lost Thunder Elite Trainer box here. I'm actually gonna look in the player's guide real quick and see if there's any really good rainbow rares. Rainbow rares or secret rares? What do I want to pull? I don't know. I usually don't have expectations when I open an Elite Trainer box. I usually don't have expectations for anything. Alright, let's take everything out and see what we got here. Code card equals mine. Oh, we got some of these cool little deck dividers. I definitely will use those. A bunch of energies, as in every trainer box. Poison and burn counters, along with a nice GX counter. And we got some nice dice. Let's go ahead and start opening these, shall we? Alright, green code card. Okay. So, our first card here is a Dedenne, Cyndaquil, Pineco, Eevee, Bruxish, Curlia, and a Azumarill. And a Fairy Energy, Delibird, Bayleaf, and Sudowoodo. Okay. Oh, I remember what the card trick was now for Sun and Moon. I don't know. It's flipping back. Another green code, okay. Fighting Energy, Electro Power, Xatu, Bayleaf, Cyndaquil, Pineco, Combee, Litleo, Cutiefly, Reverse Ariados, and regular rare Shedinja. Grass Energy, Counter Gain, Go-Goat, Moo Milk, Durant, Mareep, Phanpy, Nincada, Meryl, Reverse Hollow Heracross, and a Shaman Hollow Rare. I'll take it. Actually, no, let me move this stack of cards to my right. Fire Energy, Dedenne, Adventure Bag, Skip Loom, Hoppip, Eevee, Hoppip again. Wait, is that 2 different Hoppip arts? It is. Interesting. Picky Peck, Durant, reverse rare Tapu Koko, and Tangrowth regular rare. Come on, I need an ultra rare at least. Psychic Energy, Fairy Charm, Ninjask, Magearna, Wurmple, Blitzwick, Combee, Marini, Larvitar, Reverse Adventure Bag, and Tapu Lele Holo Rare. I'll take that. Three packs left. Come on, at least one of these has to have a really good card. I think it's 3 packs left. Yeah, 3 packs left. And then we're moving on to a few theme decks. And by a few, I mean 4. I don't know, though. That Lugia Legend card may have drained our luck. Electric Energy, Grovyle, Brione, Trumbeak, Cubchoo, Vampy, Wurmple, Marini, Yamask, Reverse Picky Peck, and... No way. No way. What did we pull? Ooh. Oh, we pulled a Virizion Full Art GX. That's actually good. That's actually nice. Let's go. That's actually really good. I am not gonna complain there. A full art, that's really good. That's gonna cause a lot of damage. Dark Energy, Lost Blender, Silcoon, Kahili, Slowpoke, Cubchoo, Diglett, Natu, Chikorita, Reverse Larvitar, and a regular rare unknown. Since when does unknown become a regular rare? Come on, give us something nice. Give us something nice before we end the actual packs and move on to the theme decks. Pretty please. It's not a green code. Might as well just go through it then, just skim through it. Stunfisk, Larvitar, Litwick, Chikorita, Natu, Electro Power, Wigglytuff, Water Energy, Ninjask, Fairy Charm, and Mantine. Either way, we pulled a full art from there, so that counts as a score for me. Screw it, I'll get them all into a neat pile after the video. Still can't believe we pulled that Lugia Legend card. That's insane. So for the first theme deck we're going to open up today, we have the Destruction Fang theme deck. Alright, we'll get into the cards first, and then I'll show the playmat. I'll show all the playmats at the end of the video. So, the promo card for this one, I'm still counting it as a good pull. The Holo Rare Hydreigon. Alright, and the cards we have in here, if they'll ever come into my hand. Whoops. Hit my tab on accident. Dark Energy. Another Dark Energy. Okay, so there's 4 Dark Energies in a row. Dino. Switch. Psychic Energy. Nest Ball. Stuffle. Great Ball. Dark Energy. Zweilous. Houndour. Howl. Psychic Energy. Beware. Salandit. Dark Energy. Houndoom. Timer Ball, XP Share, Psychic Energy, Dino, Stuffle, Sophocles, another Dark Energy, Houndour, Wishful Baton, Psychic Energy, Howl, Dark Energy, Escape Rope, Psychic Energy, Mawile, Professor Kukui, Rescue Stretcher, Dark Energy, Energy Retrieval, Nest Ball, Psychic Energy, Zweilous, Stuffle, Beware, Dark Energy, Timer Ball, Dino, Houndoom, Psychic Energy, Professor Kukui, Hydreigon, Dark Energy, Mawile, Houndour, Oranguru, Psychic Energy, Salandit, Howl, Salazzle, and the final Dark Energy. Actually, no, I'll go over the playmats in a different video. Probably either later today or tomorrow. And I'm recording this video at 9:30 in the morning. So, yeah, I sound pretty tired. I started recording at exactly 9. Okay, so we have the Como Holo, the promo card. Fighting Energy, Fighting Energy, Fighting Energy, Fighting Energy, Jangmo-O, Devoured Field, Electric Energy, Timer Ball, Pikachu, Nest Ball, Fighting Energy, Shellos, Como-O, Howl, Electric Energy, Solrock, Big Malasada, Fighting Energy, Alolan Raichu, Gastrodon, Type Null, okay. Electric Energy, Emolga, Shellos, Professor Kukui, Fighting Energy, Hakumo, Pikachu, Electric Energy, Howl, Fighting Energy, Gastrodon, Electric Energy, Ultra Ball, Jangmo-O, XP Share, Fighting Energy, Switch, Emolga, Electric Energy, Professor Kukui, Jangmo-O, Rescue Stretcher, Fighting Energy, Nest Ball, Shellos, Escape Rope, Electric Energy, Hakumo-O, Timer Ball, Fighting Energy, Lily, Howl, Alolan Raichu, Electric Energy, Pikachu, Solrock, Energy Retrieval, and a Fighting Energy. And guys, I'm sorry, I know my voice is like boring and stuff, but that's just me. That's the way I am. I wish I had like a more exciting voice, but I don't. But anyways, let's go to the next theme deck. Well, the next two theme decks, I guess, because they're both kind of taped together. Why is there so much tape? Okay. We have the Hollow Rare Articuno. Hold on a second, let me reposition so I can actually. Fire Energy. Another Fire Energy. Another Fire Energy. Fire Energy. Special Energy. Double Dragon Energy. Winona. Professor's Letter. Shelgon. Pokemon Center Lady. Water Energy. Tierno. Pidove. Fire Energy. Halo. Water Energy, Ultra Ball, Swablu, Tranquil, Water Energy, Fearow, Pelipper, Bagon, Steven, Water Energy, Spearow, Dunsparce, Wally, Fire Energy, Pokemon Fan Club, Fledgling, Tierno, Articuno, Water Energy, Switch. Ooh, this is a, I think it's Ancient Instinct or whatever, Swallow, Wingull, Water Energy, Fire Energy, Revive, Victini, Bagon, Water Energy, Dunsparce, Salamence, Swablu, Water Energy, Shelgon, Professor's Letter, Spearow, Talo, Water Energy, Pidove, Wingull, Fledgling, Water Energy, Fearow, Pelipper, Tranquil, and Bagon. Oh, the stack actually fell over, okay. There we go, it wasn't so hard to actually get open. And for this one, we have a Holo Rare Zapdos. Grass Energy, Grass Energy, Grass Energy, Grass Energy. Ooh, Dragonite, Dragonair, Electric Energy, Wurmple, Executor, Pikachu, Electric Energy, Skarmory, Grass Energy, Cascoon, Electrike, Zapdos, Electric Energy, Dratini, Nincada, Grass Energy, Execute, Manectric, Tierno, Voltorb, Electric Energy, Steven, Professor's Letter, Ultra Ball, Switch, Electrode, Electric Energy, Dratini, Special Energy, Double Dragon, Revive, Executor, Wurmple, Pokemon Center Lady, Electrike, Shedinja, Electric Energy, Cascoon, Voltorb, Manectric, Professor's Letter, Electric Energy, Execute, Grass Energy, Tierno, Trainer's Mail, Dratini, Pikachu, Electric Energy, Dragonair, Grass Energy, Electrode, Switch, Electric Energy, Wally, and Nincada. I'm just gonna check the packs up front. They're presumably empty, just to make sure that I didn't leave none out. Because, you know, we don't want to leave packs out. That would be bad. Yep, we've opened them all. Well, that's it for today. I will see you guys later. Peace out.